You ready? Anna. You ready? Here it comes. Good job. Hey, is this the train stop? Are you waiting on a train?
Yep.
Where are you gonna go on a train?
California.
California?
Come on.
Let's see, what's going on in California today?
There's a poker game,
A poker game. Okay.
basketball game, soccer game, and also hockey.
Oh,
I love
hockey.
those things. I love all those things.
Yeah.
What time is it? It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch. Yeah.
What you got?
Me and Mom got 2 Kit Kats. See?
This is what they look like. Don't that look good? Mmm. We're having a Kit Kat break.
It's big and giant.
Yeah. Mmm. Look good.
Mm-hmm.
This picture is cutting it off. You good?
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
My mom broke in pieces. Still pretty good to me.
Hey, Mom, you want to see what I can do with this?
What do you got?
Something from this, which is, I don't know what's called. First, I'll put stop. Could.
So what is it?
A map.
It's a map. All right. What you got?
Sick.
Is it good? Enjoy.
I will. You enjoy your food if you eat.
Okay, I'm in the elevator. AnnaMae is supposed to be out there waiting on me. She went up the steps, I went up the elevator. Who's gonna get there first? Oh, we'll find out. Ah! Silly.
See ya.
See ya. Love you, bye. There she goes. What you doing?
Watching that. It's a long way down.
She's got it going on, no doubt. job, Anna.
It was hard first.
Good job.
It was easy. Gosh, look at Zachary. I know, right? I made it a little bit
Good job,
lower
Anna.
than Zachary was. Then I had no space to put my foot. So then I was scared to go back down, and then I'm like, I want to harm because it's not going to be scary.
Oh yes, but you're doing a good job. You're getting up there.
I like it.
You're doing a good job.
Leah! Look! Whoa, look at Zachary.
Keep going, Anna. Push. Push.
Once I went like where Jacob's at,
Good job.
I went way up there. Did you have to climb on that?
It's working.
I've tried to climb on that.
Oh no!
Actually, I know how to do it. Brother, I'm running.
That's how I dash. Here, have that mushroom.
Thank you.
Oh no!
Mushroom.
Dude, don't kill it, Oh.
Brother, how you doing this?
Wait. Really, Anna? I said don't die, please.
Are you gonna get this road point or not? Don't come back here. Don't come back.
Oh, you got applause for that. That was weird. Was that what that was, an applause?
Anna's
I'm way behind.
tunnel.
Oh, duty.
You making a YouTube video?
Yep.
Hurry, dude, get it. Go up there and get it. Go get that star coin. Maxwell, get it.
Man, I like it. Oh, yay! Is that Maxwell?
Yeah, that was me. I'm Luigi.
Are we going up this way?
No, we're going up this way.
Try to put on this team.
If you
Oh.
can't figure it out, they'll just automatically do it.
This one? Do that one?
Yeah, it's that one. Yeah, it goes. Olivia,
Yes.
why are you jumping on me?
Yeah. Dude. Brother, wait, turn it on.
Are they brothers?
Brother, come back for me. Brother. Oh. That was
Does that
the wrong
mean-
TV.
Does that mean it's over?
No, that's cheating. You just
My friend at school, she can do that too.
Mm-hmm.
A friend of mine can do it around his body for about 3-4 hours.
I could do it about for a minute. See? Look, YouTubers.
Good job,
Can you
Anna.
do it around your neck?
No, we're not doing the neck thing.
I can't do it. Or not even the arm, Andrew.
The arm's easy.
I can't do it with this.
Yeah.
You can hear the water sloshing.
I know it. That's what,
That's pretty cool.
once she gets it started, the water helps you keep going.
You want to see me do this trick?
Sure. Oh, okay. See, I won't let her do that in our apartment
Oh, because they can hear
because
it.
everybody can hear it all over the place.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Arm, Anna.
No, we're not doing that because it could hit Daddy's TV. We don't want to do that.
Yeah, no, it's Vancouver.
Is it Vancouver?
City of Richmond.
Can I see you do some?
Where's
Yes.
Vancouver?
You want to see me do something,
Canada.
YouTubers? Watch
Okay.
this, YouTubers.
British Columbia, that's part of Canada.
That's a good place for me.
Well, like you said, that water's too cold for him to take the shirt off.
Yeah. You don't jump in Canadian water with a shirt without your shirt.
You want to see me do this? Angel, drop.